Are you tired of having to move hoses around and trying to adjust a sprinkler only to spend like 20 minutes trying to adjust it? Well, I've got the solution for you where you can have an in-ground sprinkler system without having to run all the lines, hoses, controllers, having to redo the plumbing to your house. And it's so simple, and all you have to do is just put a quick disconnect on the hose and walk out there and snap it on. So let's show you how it's done. Okay guys, so we're going to show you how to make one of these awesome in-ground sprinklers. I got all these parts from Home Depot. I'll have a link below to that, as well as a link below for Capital One shopping to where you can save a ton of money on that. I've saved up to 35% off on Home Depot purchases and have saved thousands using that. So, as you can see here, we have a few pieces of PVC. We're going to take this one piece here that we've got a little thread tape in, and we're going to screw it into the bottom of the Orbit sprinkler. That way it'll have a good tight seal and be maintenance free for a long time. A good trick you can use is take your piece of PVC here that we cut and use as a handle to tighten that piece in. Makes it a lot easier to get it in place. So we're going to pop that out. We're going to pop this little elbow in here. And we're just going to work on getting everything like dry fit and adjusted. We're going to pop our PVC pipe in. And then we're going to put our hose connect in right here. And put our quick disconnect in. So you can see we got that right there. Then we're just taking a look at the adjustment, seeing how we want to do it. Everything looks good, so we're going to work on taking it apart right now. I've got the Blue Monster PVC Cement. It's the one step. We're not plumbing a house here, so we don't need the primer and all like that. You know, this is making a chemical bond between the two pieces of PVC. So we're going to take that, get it adjusted. Now we're going to get our glue and put our glue in the elbow here. And we're going to stick our pipe in. And we're going to pop off our hose connector and quick disconnect. Got our glue on here, and then we're going to take this and just slide this right down. Now, I've been using these in the ground for over 5 years now. I just dug a hole and buried it, made the ground level right about there at the edge. And that way it's just below the surface. Remember, it's going to pop up when it runs. I have real hard clay soil that really holds it in place, keeps it tight and bound in there. If you have like sandy or looser soil, you may want to put a little bit of like crush or pea gravel to hold it in place inside the hole. Clean off that last little bit of glue. But all you got to do is just take your hose, snap it onto the quick disconnect. When you're done, you just take it and snap it right off. I use these quick disconnects for everything in the garden. Thanks. Bye.